Okay, you ready to go out in this stuff? Go ahead, Moj. Go ahead, in your tunnel that we dug. Go in your tunnel. Yeah, you gotta hurry. Poor doggy. Gotta get out in the snow. You're staying safe in your little tunnel. You wanna get in the snow and see how you do? Huh? Get in the snow part. No? You're only getting in your there's doghouse. Get in the snow. Go ahead, get in the snow. Yeah, get down there in that snow. Go ahead, get in it. There you go. Yeah, fun, huh? No, not so much. Yeah, you having fun? Yeah? Go ahead, get in. Whoa. Blizzard. Lots of wind blowing and, whoa, don't trip me. Damn, okay, go ahead, go play. Damn crazy dog. Go play for a minute. Get in the snow, stop staying on the path. Get in the snow, Moj. Wow, look at all that snow. Get in the snow. Oh, God. Get in the snow. Get in the snow part. Go on. No? You just stay in your little tunnel here? You won't get in the snow? I'm glad we dug you a path. There you go. Hopping like a deer. Like a deer in a cornfield. Oh, okay. I think you had